Hello and welcome back to another episode of Darren's Kitchen. Now today BERNA is going to be making a homemade or delicious homemade yogurt. It's all made traditionally, so she's going to show us how to make it. Hello, and here we go. So the first thing you do is you put in milk, organic milk.
100% nature milk.
Actually 1 litre.
Yes, 1 litre.
1 litre.
Now turn
the heat on.
Okay. After this milk boil, we will wait 10 minutes.
Okay.
10 minutes.
And so we're going to let it boil and then we'll let it sit for 10 minutes.
Because of burning.
Yeah. So we're taking the milk off the heat and we're going to let it sit for 10 minutes.
Taşmak milk hani sadinli puf.
Foam over the top.
Yes.
Yes.
Şimdi bu sütü ılımaya bırakacağız. Ilıdıktan sonra küçük parmağımızı dokunacağız. Ilıdığını ancak öyle anlayabiliriz. Ondan sonra da mayasını katacağız.
What BERNA just said is after we just turn the heat off, we're going to let it sit and let it cool down, but not cold. So what we're going to do is we're going to put our little finger in there and make sure that it's perfect, the heat. It has to be warm, not hot, not too cold, in between. Right, and after that we will start to make our yogurt.
Better place because of open the door.
Organic yogurt yeast.
For 1 liter.
For 1 litre, 1 spoon.
Yes, 1 teaspoon.
So it's organic yogurt yeast. 1 teaspoon is all you need. Incredible. Very easy to make.
Easy, but we need to wait softly. Okay, softly. Okay. We need to keep this warm.
Wow, that yogurt looks good. Afiyet olsun.
Afiyet olsun. Homemade.
Homemade yogurt.
Looks very good.
We had it outside resting for about 7 hours. And then BERNA placed it in the fridge. And that was last night. And now she's serving it. Homemade yogurt. Wow.
If you are on a diet, it can be really good. Do you want to taste?
Yeah, I'll have a taste.
Can I?
Yes, please. Yes, please. Taste. Yeah, it's yum.